Hey y'all, the good folks over at ANCEL sent me over this battery tester, and it's also a battery charger, a battery repair, and battery maintainer. This is model BT521. We're gonna get it opened up, see what we get in the box, then we're gonna test this battery right here. I already know the results, but we're gonna see if this gives the same results. See what we have here. Oh, comes in a nice carrying bag. It's not real heavy either. Oh, look at that. Sweet. The cables and clips are built into it. You don't have to worry about keeping two different things together, because it's all made together. And then your AC outlet. You get a power cord and we'll continue on. Okay, I'm gonna get it plugged in here. There we go. Okay, then we have it's like quick charging, standard charging, maintainer mode, battery test, cranking test, alternator test, review data, and setup. Okay, our battery, we need to do the battery test. So we will push OK. Let me make sure what kind of battery that is. Make sure you check your battery and see what it is. Actually, this is a lead acid battery. Came out of a Nissan. It's supposed to be a gel battery, but apparently they didn't put the right battery in it. So this is a lead acid battery. We'll check it out. Battery test, regular flooded battery. That's what we need right there. And also it does come with your book, your user manual. It's in the bag. Just now noticed that. Get our battery hooked up here. Make sure you put the cables on the right side. Red to the plus, black to the minus. Go ahead and hit OK. Go cranking amps. Select standard, dim. You have your different settings here. And we're going to go OK on the cold cranking amps. We will select our cold cranking amps on our battery. Let me double check what those are. It is 500. Let's see what if it has other options. Yeah, you can change that. But this one's 500, so we're good there. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Now it's testing. Replace the battery. Look at there. That is neat. No more having to run to the parts house, or AutoZone, or whatever, O'Reilly's, wherever you go to get it tested. You can have your own tester right here. I like that. That is cool. And like I said, it does double as a charger. You can trickle charge, fast charge. And it's got the instructions here where it'll go over multiple options here. Yeah, battery charge, quick charging, standard charging, all that. Really a nice charger. I like this. Never had one that actually tested the battery, and you can test the alternator. That is really cool. I like that. Okay, just for the fun of it, we're going to test the alternator on my car. Hopefully it'll test good. Okay, when you don't have it hooked up, you'll get a fault. So we're going to back out of that. Now we'll hook it up. I don't know if you're really going to be able to see that real good in this camera. I'm trying to adjust it where you can see it better, but okay, we're going to give it a shot and see what we get. Do the alternator test. Let me get it started up. That's a little better picture. Okay, we got it on alternator test. We're going to push OK. It says turn off the headlights and air conditioning. Keep 10 seconds. Press OK to continue. There we go. Increase RPMs of 2,500 to 3,000. Keep it at 10 seconds, and then press OK. Okay. says turn on headlights and air conditioning and RPM idle for 10 seconds. Turn the air conditioner on and the headlights on.
I can't do all that. It holds the RPM.
Well, it says let it idle. Voltage normal. Loaded 14.1 amps. Unloaded 14.1 and ripple 8 M volts. That's it. So my alternator is good. That's a good sign. This thing's cool. Other than you having to plug it in. But I mean, you can test the alternator. You just can't do it by yourself. But you can test the battery charger, quick charging, standard charging, maintainer mode, battery test, cranking test, alternator test, and review data. Now there's a little hands-on testing. So really nice tool to have. I wished I'd have had one long before now. So definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order your very own before it's too late. And go ahead and click that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. There it is. Works perfect. Just wish I didn't have to replace the battery, but that happens. We have the device to test them, and now we know how to test them. So, hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.